What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing review on the installation of the Smallrig cage, and this is for the Sony ZV-E1 which I just picked up on Amazon. So I'm gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside and how it basically works. So it basically comes in this package. Just gonna unbox it real quick. So this is the package right here. This is the Smallrig cage. Inside we got the user manual which shows how to hook it up. So let us now look at the Smallrig cage itself. Looks something like this. As you can see, we have a Smallrig logo right there, and you can see which camera this is for, which is Sony ZV-E1. Looking pretty neat. Also on the bottom right here you can see all those shoe mounts. They can basically hook up most of the things right here on the bottom. Also we have this shoe adapter right here, which have a magnetic thing right here you can stick on, so it doesn't easily lose whenever you want to hook it up to your camera and screw it up. First, you want to remove this screw right here on the bottom, and what you want to do, you want to loosen up these screws if it is not already loosened. We're gonna check this one, see if it loosened. You want to loosen that up. Now once it is loosened, you want to put it onto your Sony ZV-E1 like this. So you can basically slide it down from front. Now what you want to do, make sure that this right here is aligned up with the clip right here. Clip this part right into place right here, and then when you clip this part into place, you want to get your screw and screw it up. Make sure that it's tightened, but before you screw up it tight, we want to check this side as well. So make sure that this side is very much aligned. So both of the sides are aligned, as you can see right there. Then I'm going to screw up this. So this one is basically tight. So you're going to use this big part of the screw to screw in this part right here. And now guys, as you can see, the camera cage right here is mounted on the Sony ZV-E1. Also we have a lot of different spaces that we can mount things on. We can mount things on the side right here. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 different mounting. And also we have access to our doors, so it won't affect our doors. We can still access to our port, as you can see right there. All of our port access to it on this side, so it don't interfere with that. And also on this side, if you want to flip out our camera screen, flip out quite fine. You can rotate it and those things. And also the battery right here, we still can remove our battery from inside right here, flip it out, still access to our battery. And also with this cage right here, it gives you an extra grip, as you can see right here. So if your hands are like mine, which is basically your pinky finger right here, you can basically rest it onto right here, which gives you a more firmer grip with this camera cage right here. Also we have some mount right here on the top, so if you want to mount something on it, like a monitor or those things, it will work quite fine as well. And also we have 2 actual mount right on the top right here, so if you want to mount like a mic or something like that onto this right here, it gives you some more option to do that, which is really great. And I'm loving this camera cage right here, and I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember that link for this guys is down in the description below, and if you want to have more review like this, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.